I've always had a passion for understanding human behavior ever since I was a child myself. I turned it into a full time career when I started Simply Body Talk way back in 2013, where we specialize in the niche of non-verbal communication. Over the years, we've had the fortune of working with some of the well known organizations across the world with middle and senior level managers to sharpen their leadership qualities using the power of nonverbal communication. When I realized that as children, we are naturally very good with our power of understanding the world around us and people with our observational skills. But somewhere, as we become adults, we lose this overall skill. That's when I realized that I have to work with kids early on in their life. And that's when Q Kids was born in 2019.
Our team of body language experts, child psychologists, and trainers have designed courses that are highly interactive and fun sessions with a lot of engaging activities that work on your child's all round development in terms of their social, emotional, and non verbal skills so they have a bright future. Hi, I'm Meenu Kapoor. I'm a corporate trainer. I have conducted skill building programs in various companies like US Embassy, Adobe, Indian Financial Corporation of India, Bank of America, to name a few. I'm now associated with Q Kids to conduct similar skill building programs for kids.
I've been teaching for over 3 years now. While I've worked with a lot of other age groups, working with children has been my absolute favorite because sometimes when I look back at those experiences, I understand how many simple yet significant things I've learned from children.
I have always enjoyed teaching. When I started working in academia, I felt like my passion met purpose. I have more than 6 years of experience working in academia teaching kids of different ages.
The best part about being a trainer for Q Kids is that we get to teach them important life skills and they can implement them from day one. They don't have to wait for 5-10 years to start implementing them.
These learnings help me understand why social skills are so important for children to learn at a very young age. It not only helps them develop a belief system and personality, it also taps into their day-to-day qualities that are absolutely important like empathy, cooperation, both verbal and non-verbal communication. Activities and courses at Q Kids have been developed in such a way that they help kids understand their belief system and make them more emotionally and socially efficient.
We parents want our kids to grow up into successful individuals. What do you think is the most important to teach them early on? Math, reading, coding, science? I would say emotional intelligence. Wouldn't it be so helpful to teach our kids how to observe body language, understand the emotions, and connect with friends and family better?
Schools in today's time provide ample opportunities to kids for speaking up. In order to make the most of this platform, along with academics, we teach our kids the art of public speaking, focusing on body language. Then they would present like a powerful speaker each time they present in school, talk to a friend, or any family member.
The best part, I really enjoy giving them a comfortable and open environment in which they get to learn that important life skills can be learned while having a lot of fun. It does not have to be stressful, it does not have to be any kind of work related, it can be a lot of fun.
Our facility of providing free trial on demand helps children to understand whether the course will be of interest to them. Parents are also able to see how quickly our trainer team is able to create a bond with your child. When children who are already achievers in academics or extracurricular activities opt in for our courses, it gives us confidence about the quality of our courses.
I'm going to share a funny incident in which I learned how quickly they were observing and picking up our cues. Once I got disconnected because of a light cut off, and once I connected back, I could see kids acting like me and teaching to other kids about the whole activity which was visible to them on the screen, and it was really fascinating to watch them.
Q Kids is a journey wherein kids discover the best sides of their personalities using the power of non-verbal communication. through various different kind of formats like skill building online courses, party events, workshops, personal coaching sessions, etc. We work with kids so that they can sharpen a lot of their overall skills, be it their people understanding skills, their body language, their overall confidence, their understanding of emotional intelligence, their social skills, and so on.